So guys, yes, today is 11th of April and the time is almost 9:12 now. So I have selected the stock to trade today is Kotak Bank or Tata Consumer stock. So once the market opens, we'll see whether we'll be buying or selling the stocks. And before that, let's see how the pre-open market has opened. So going to the pre-open market page here, you can see the Nifty is opening at 17,740.90. That is 0.24% down. Advanced stocks are 18, declines are 28 and unchanged is 4 stock. And now coming to the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is Tata Motors with 1.10% up and Grasim with 0.76% up. And coming to the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that is HDFC with 0.74% down and Asian Paint with 0.69% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market as open today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you the lighted what I do today. So before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. I upload a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and also I upload daily live trade what we do. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join my course now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. To provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, right now I've selected Kotak Bank to trade. So yes, I have decided to trade on Kotak Bank. We'll see how the stock will perform. To buy it in intraday, okay, so Kotak Bank intraday will buying around 1175. So let's see how the stock will perform. We just bought it now. So guys, yes, I have decided to buy the Kotak Bank now and we are in a buy section. So let's see how the stock will perform. The market is 0.45% down now. So we should wait for the market to turn positive. So once the market turns positive, we can expect Kotak Mahindra to go at least 78 points up. So right now my target is around 5 to 6 points if the market is at minus 0.45 or like this. So if the market turns positive, we can extend our target. But right now my aim is to get only like 5 or 6 point target and exit. So let's see how it will perform now. So 1778 now, 1779. Yes, it's going good. So maybe there is some resistance at 1780. So we can see some retracement happening near 1780, but again it will come up is what I'm feeling. Around 1772 or 1770 is a good support level for Kotak Bank today. So let's see how the stock will perform. We are in a buy side right now. It's at 1776 where we are bought. So let's wait for the stock to go up. So you can see here the stock has come down now. It has come down till 1773, 1772. As I said you, there is a resistance over there. So it has touched the resistance and it's come down now. So we are hoping it will touch back the resistance and give a breakout now. And you can see the market is still continuing to come down, 0.54% down right now. So if the market recovers quick, our stock will also move up quick is what I'm guessing. So let's wait for it, guys. So guys, once again it's back to its resistance level, almost touching 1778 or 9, so 1774 now. So let's wait again. So I think it will retouch its resistance level now and give a breakout is what I am guessing. So we'll wait for it. So it's a very volatile stock, if you guys can see here. It's fast also. So guys, yes, right now again it's back to touch 1779. So I think right now it will give a breakout. So we can expect almost 1780 to give a breakout now, because there's a more strength in a buy side. You can see in the market depth also. So yes, 1780, it's giving a breakout now. Yes, the new high has been made. 1780 is a new high as of now. So let's wait for the stock to go up. Okay, 1781. So yes guys, I'm almost like 5 points in a profit now. So 1782, so I can take my exit now. So yeah, I'll just take my exit and I'll update you guys. So it has come up and the market is still 0.47% down, so it's better to exit now. So guys, yes, as you guys saw, the stock made a high of almost 182.50. I bought it around 1776. So I just took my exit now, 5 points somewhere around there. So this was a profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Kotak Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join my course now. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading. So you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.